Good day and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this sketch image of yourself, or it's an image, something like this and this. So the two apps we are going to be using for this uh, tutorial is the Pixel app and the Picsart. But first, we are going over to the Picsart. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly like and subscribe, and equally hit the notification icon so that you'll be seeing the next videos I'll be posting. So you click on the plus icon, select the image you want to use. The image I want to use, this is the image I want to use, but I'll show you how you can do this. What you need to do first is to remove the background of the image. Click on the image. You can see the remove background. This remove background in Picsart is has premium features. So if you want the unlocked version of this Picsart, what you need to do is to click on the description of the video below, and the password to the app, I'll be dropping it in this video. So pay close attention so that you get all the passwords. So let's get proper into the video. What you need to do now is to remove the background. I've already done that before. When you click on this, the background will automatically remove. So the next thing you are going to be doing is to apply the FX effect. Click on the FX effect, then you might not see the way I do. It might appear like this. You need to scroll here to see the artistic. Click on the artistic, then go to Sketcher 1. Adjust it to the level you want and make it look like this. Sorry, like this. So I've already done this before, so I don't need to save this image. I'll go and show you the one I did before. Here it looks like this. So with this image, we are going to be working with it. Now, when you have this image saved to your phone, you need to go over to the Pixel app. The Pixel app. Sorry. Okay. Now start fresh by clicking on the plus icon. Choose the image from your gallery. I think it's on my recent, so because I just recently worked on it. Now you need to crop this image so that it will look good. This is good. Now adjust. Sorry. Okay. Adjust the image so that it will look okay. Okay. Now you will need to centralize the image. Okay. Make sure. Centralize it. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay. Now you need to go over to strokes. Add strokes. Change the color of the stroke to black, and make a copy of this image and equally place it in the same position the other one is. Alright, now you will merge the two objects together. When you have merged the images together, you will need to remove color, the erase the color, but the two, use the erase color too. When you've clicked on the erase color tool, you will need to set the tolerance to look good on the image. Okay, something like this looks good. Now the next thing you are going to be doing now is to add shape. Now you are going to add this shape. Now the color of the shape is going to be black, but before that, this image, you need to change the color of this image to white. All right, now back to the shape. We need to make this shape to cover the whole background of the picture. Good. Now we bring this image to the front. It looks like this. Now the next thing is to add shape if you desire to. All right. I'm going to be using the circle shape. Reduce the opacity down to 0. Go to the strokes, and the stroke width should be around 6 and 7. Now the color of the stroke is going to be white. Yes, white. Now make it enter the image well and look good on the image. Yes, I think this is good. This looks good. Now go over to the text. You can add the text. Good. Move the text around here. Change the font of the text so that it looks bigger. I'm going to be using the chunk 5 text. Now you change the color of this text to black. You change it to black. You go over to the strokes, on the strokes, and change the color of the stroke to white. At this point, you will need to merge the whole image, the whole project, merge the whole thing together. Now, as you have merged it, erase color using the erase color tool. So it looks like this. At this point, you will need to add a shape to it, any shape at all. But don't make the shape visible. In fact, the color of the shape is going to be black. Right, the color is black. Now merge the shape, the color of the shape with the image. All right, you're done merging it. Now you go over to the texture. You can add any texture you want. Yes, this is a texture. If you want to use a texture just like mine, I'll be dropping the link to it on the description below. Now you add texture. So you add, you click on the plus icon to add the same texture you used. So this one has to cover the image. Okay, now you move it to the back. All right, when you've moved it to the back, you can go to the emboss tool so that the color will come out well. All right, now you change the color, sorry, you go to adjust the color filter, and the hue, you can increase the hue. As you increase this, the color changes. You can increase the saturation as well. You can even make it look like this. You see, I prefer I prefer this color. So this is a simple way you can make a sketch image of yourself using these simple tools, the Picsart and the Pixel Lab. So see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.